Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for an amazing Dollar Tree haul. This video, guys, is really going to be for all of my planner and stationery lovers. If you're one of those people, keep watching. I am so excited. I went to the Dollar Tree today and all of these items were unloaded literally 2 days ago and they're almost completely sold out, and I'm so excited to share these with you. So first off, look at how cool this bag is. I love the gold, black, and white. I bought this bag because they do charge 5 cents a bag now, so I figured I should probably get a bag. All right, guys, so starting off with the first item is this binder. So this binder isn't new, but what I'm about to show you is. So these are their mini binders by Jot. Sorry for the lighting, guys. And I've hauled these before. They have them in multiple colors in the stationery section that you could buy, and they are the mini version. What is the most amazing thing is Dollar Store has just come out with inserts similar to Happy Planner, and I'm so excited to share this. So here's the first item. I can't even contain how excited I am that Dollar Tree has finally done this. So here is a monthly planner page. So this is just your month, and I love that it's blank so that you can really customize it for whenever you choose to start your planner. So this is just the month. Look at how amazing that is. And they only have one theme right now, which is this floral theme. Maybe down the road they'll come out with more, but I'm just so happy that they even have this. And then we have the weekly. Yep. They have the weekly. How amazing is that? This is just like Happy Planner. You would pay a fortune for this, and it doesn't end there. And then they have blank paper. And doesn't stop, it just keeps going. Then they have dividers. So these are tab dividers. And I'm so sorry for the glare, guys. So they have 3 dividers in here. And they have the folder. So the pocket folder where you can put items in, just like Happy Planner has. You get 2. And yes, it keeps going on, guys. Then they have the ruler that you can put in. Look at how cute this is. I am recording this on my cell phone, so I'm so sorry for the glare. I wanted to get this video done ASAP so that you guys can get out and get your stationery because it is going super fast. Mine was almost completely sold out. And then it just keeps getting better, guys. So they have page flags, stickers, and borders. What? How freaking amazing is that? And we're not done. They have flag clips that match. I mean, you can make your own, but these are so cute and it matches. And lastly, let's do this. So a little list that you can add in. They also had one for passwords, so remembering your passwords, but I was like, I don't need 50 sheets for remembering passwords, so I only got this one. And this isn't part of it, but they also got these sticky notes. I've seen some people haul these. There's different themes. So I got the coffee theme. They're just sticky notes. They have the fishbowl. They had the glass of lemonade. And I don't remember what else, but they had ice cream cone. Yeah. But anyways, guys, that's it. I just wanted to share these items with you. It is, oh, I'm so ecstatic that they got these. So if you are a planner lover, get to your Dollar Tree ASAP before they're all gone. They're just starting to unpack them now. I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing find and that you're lucky enough to grab some of these items as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and stay tuned for more. Love and peace to you all. Bye.